down for my day ones. Ain't gotta say much, singing that a whole lot of money gonna save us. We the first ones hit with the pay cut, changed up, now we about to get this so we make it.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So I am in my new place now. It's been about 4 days since I packed up at my old place. Just got all the stuff delivered there, that's pretty much most of it. I really didn't have much to pack, and I've got the dogs here. Today is more like an errand kind of chore running day. I've got to go to Bunnings, I've got to finish building a coffee table, got to take Luca to the groomer, and I've already trained this morning, so you don't have to watch another training routine in a vlog, because I know, like, I mean, that's my lifestyle and that's what that's all about, but some people prefer me doing some of the design minimalism kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you, I thought I'd do a little mini tour of my bedroom. It is a mess so far. So obviously I'm sharing a room with Mitch. Let me turn the camera around. I have to be careful of the angle because I don't want to show out the window. So I'll do my best. So door there. Got a cute little table. Obviously this is just the before at the moment. I don't have the bed frame yet. That won't get here till Wednesday. And then there's other stuff that I want to have on this side of the room, which I also don't have yet. And here's my dirty washing. Beautiful. So yeah, bed. Oh, thank you, Ducky. Thanks. Luca's bed, because he's being a big sook, so he's been sleeping in there, in this room. I'm gonna flip around. Dirty washing, like I said. Got a big mirror. I got that from Temple & Webster. Just a nice gold frame, because I am changing my color palette. I've got a bit over the whole black, white, and grey. It's looking very sterile to me now, so I'm adding in some browns. I'm also wanting to change my Instagram theme. Some of Mitch's stuff. This is like my supplements, my bathroom stuff. I think one of these is meant to go in the kitchen. I think that's a kitchen box. Still a mess at the moment, but I'll come back and I'll do a full bedroom tour. That's Mitch's cupboard here. So yeah, I'll do a full tour when everything is set up properly, but at the moment, living in shambles. So I do feel very, very disorganized at the moment, just because everything's all over the place. But yeah, I actually can't wait to decorate this place, and I'll give you guys a little tour of the office. Obviously this is nowhere near done yet. So I've got my desk, my chair, a couple of plants. I need to get some new pots for these, and I need something else to put this on. So I thought I wouldn't be able to pack any of my houseplants, and I had so many houseplants at my house in Brisbane, and I was really sad. Like, I didn't want to get rid of this one, because this was a gift that someone gave me, and when they gave it to me, it was like this big, like that long, with like just one little branch on it, and it just grew into this. The removalists were like, oh, we can't really pack plants, but you can shove it in a box and see if it survives, but we're not saying that it will or it won't, so you can give it a try. So I ended up like shoving it in a box, like wrapping up heaps of, I got some packing paper, and I just put that all around, because it is in a glass, like a glass, almost fishbowl type thing. And yeah, it survived. So 4 days in, well, it went in a truck, in a shipping container on a train, and then on the train down here, and then back in a truck again, and then to me, and it survived because it's a devil's ivy, so they can cope with a lot. Definitely want to do a full office tour when it's done, but I thought I'll show you guys the kind of vibe that I'm going for at the moment. Hello. You gonna get a haircut? Let's go, come on. So we just dropped Luca off. Now Rach and I are on our way to Bunnings. I have to get a drill. I left my drill in Brisbane. I think it's in the gym. So I'm just gonna get another drill, because I'm assuming there's a lot of furniture that we're gonna be needing to put together. Yeah. So that's what we're doing today, and then I'm gonna assemble that coffee table.
Oh, and the buffet.
And the buffet. The buffet. Not that we even have a couch yet, but the other stuff has turned up. Oh well. Includes 12 bits. There we go.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Well, because I need it to drill into that pallet. So that's the main thing. Let's get this one. Rach had a toenail mishap.
Ow, it hurts. But it's still good. It's good.
Just looking at some pots, because I figured before I buy more plants, I should probably have some pots. South Melbourne markets now, and I'm gonna grab some flowers because I want to set some up in the place, and I also need to take some photos with them. So see what I can find.
Some food-related kind of stuff. I'm actually making myself some food, but I'm filming it to illustrate the point I'm talking about in tonight's video.
Nice.
It's feeding time.
2 birds with 1 stone. I get to feed myself and film at the same time. And my knife needs to sharp.
Well, actually, I got my knives turned up in a box.
Sweet.
I don't know which box.
I just can go back into the fridge. I finished.
The exact colour. Doesn't bump it up.
Already in half an hour.
Would you bump it up then if it's in half an hour?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, it's time to be a handyman, and I've got to put together this coffee table. It's essentially just pallets, and I've got to attach some wheels on the bottom. So we'll see how this goes.
You know what name I really don't like? We do, and nobody laughs, so you can't. Yay!
That looks cool.
You do look very good.
So I just got a text message saying that Luca is ready to be picked up, and Rach and I were building the buffet. So Mitch is going to give her a hand with that while I'm out. Okay, I will be back.
Okay.
I know, I'm vacant trying to get into my zone. Live from a stage on a one-man show. I know, hard to believe. Never closed eyes, we ain't got a dream. Looking for the answers, never always what it seems. If I wasn't here looking, then I never found me. Tell me all your secrets, let me keep them. I can keep them all.
Look at you! You look so stupid!
You're like a different doggo.
Luca!
Filming the entire time.
No. I was going to do a time lapse.
Yeah, Mitch would just be on his phone.
Good help?
It's gonna be hilarious.
Oh, I picked up a few stickers.
We got it built. It's got some cupboards, some drawers. Then I've got the eucalyptus, which I got earlier, and the chain of hearts. And these are 2 of the pots that I bought earlier. So this one and this one, both from Bunnings. Oh, and the cabinet, we just grabbed off Fantastic Furniture. It sucks that you had to build it yourself, but I did like the style of it, so I figured it was worth building. Just down getting a late lunch with Mitch and Rach. I got grilled salmon, some brown rice. I won't eat all of that, I'll just have a little bit of it. Salad with some beetroot, cashews, and feta. Mitch got, what did you get?
The barramundi.
The barramundi, avocado, salad, and rice. And then Rach got a skewer pack and salad.
Yeah. And a potato cake just because I want
Potato cake. I don't know the last time I had
love
one of
them.
those.
I haven't had one in years, so I was like, I'm getting one.
So we just went and spent about an hour at the beach, and now I am back. Because we got all that furniture built today, well, that's all we've got. Like the dining table hasn't arrived yet, the couches haven't arrived yet, nothing like that. I've got some video editing to do, so right now I just finished off another at-home workout program which you can do, and then I'm also editing another minimalism series video. So these might not go up in order, like you might see one of those before you see this video. Also, if you are keen to see those like room tour and office tour videos, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up on this video. Those kind of thumbs up ratios do help me see what you want to see more of, and it does help my channel out. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or night or whatever time it is where you are, and I will catch you in my next upload.